Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will discuss about the solubility and different factors that affect the solubility. First of all, we define the solubility. The number of gram of solute dissolved in 100 gram of solvent to prepare a saturated solution at a particular temperature is called solubility. Factors that affect the solubility. Different factors that affect the solubility. Number one is nature of solute and solvent, solute-solvent interaction, and temperature. Nature of solute and solvent: like, dissolve, like. Ionic polar solute dissolve in polar solvent like NaCl, KCl, sodium carbonate, copper sulfate, sugar, and alcohol dissolve in water. All are ionic polar, and water is also polar, so like, dissolve, like. Non-polar substances are not soluble in polar solvent like ether, benzene, and petrol are insoluble in water. Ether, benzene, petrol are non-polar, but water is polar, so not soluble in water. Non-polar covalent substances are soluble in non-polar solvent like grease, paint, naphthalene are soluble in ether, carbon tetrachloride. So like, dissolve like, non-polar dissolve in non-polar solvent. Just see nature of solute and solvent. Polar solvent, solute polar, soluble in polar solvent and insoluble in non-polar solvent. Non-polar solute insoluble in polar solvent, soluble in non-polar solvent. Ionic solute soluble in polar solvent and insoluble in non-polar solvent. Solubility and pressure. Pressure affect only the solubility of gases, since liquid solid are virtually incompressible. High pressure push gas molecules close together and make them more likely bond with liquid solvent. Thus, higher pressure make gases more soluble. Just look, when pressure release, bubbles of carbon dioxide escape rapidly. Effect of temperature on solubility. Temperature has major effect on solubility. The most of substance, generally it seems solubility increase with increase of temperature, but it is not true always. There are three possibilities. Heat is absorbed, heat is given out, no change in heat. Just see salt like KNO3, NaNO3, KCl absorb heat during dissociation. These solubility increase with increase of temperature. Sodium नाइट्रेट, पोटेशियम नाइट्रेट, KCl हीट जज़ब करते हैं जब इनको डिज़ोल्व किया जाता है, तो इनकी सॉल्युबिलिटी इंक्रीज करती है विद इंक्रीज ऑफ टेम्परेचर. साल्ट लाइक लिथियम सल्फेट, सीरियम सल्फेट रिलीज हीट व्हेन डिज़ोल्व इन वाटर. देयर सॉल्युबिलिटी डिक्रीज विद द इंक्रीज इन टेम्परेचर. लिथियम सल्फेट है, सीरियम सल्फेट है, ये हीट खारिज करते हैं और इनकी सॉल्युबिलिटी डिक्रीज करती है विद इंक्रीज ऑफ टेम्परेचर. Salt like sodium chloride, when dissolved in water, the solution temperature remain almost same, so minimum effect on solubility. NaCl जो है उसका बहुत कम इफेक्ट होता है सोलबिलिटी पर। Solute solvent interaction, the forces between particles solute and those of solvent. To dissolve solute solvent, following three events must occur. Solute particle must separate from each other. Solvent particle also separated and provide space. Solute solvent must interact and mix up. To dissolve solute in solvent, three events must occur. Just see first step, solute particles separated from each other. Second step, solvent particle must separated, and then solute solvent particle mix up and form a solution. Solute solvent interaction. The solute dissolve into solvent when attractor forces between solvent and solute molecule are strong enough to overcome the molecular forces holding the solvent particle and solute particle together.